Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about small mini and small mini leather bags, crossbody bags or clutches designs and ideas. So these bags is one of the most best bags and everyone like these bags. Minimalist bags and so we collect the ideas. We some collect the ideas and very great bags. So women's and small mini bags, it's that make a serious style statement and everyone like these bags. A slight practical cloud may hover over the best mini handbags, but don't let that rain on your fashion bread like the stylish clutches, very handhelds, tiny crossbodies, and so small shoulder bags may be little and capable of containing not much more than and very great designs, but plenty of great things comes in small packages like dazzling diamonds. So different things you can place in this small mini leather bag. It's very amazing bag and it is also trendy bag, and everyone like this bag because very trendy and women's especially very like this small mini leather crossbody bag and very great bags. So if you enjoy this video, so if you like this video, so please share this video and please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.